Colorland dogs.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Now, let's talk about our kitchen superheroes, the mixer dough and piping bag. Think of the mixer dough as a dance partner for your ingredients. It spins and mixes them into tasty fun. And the piping bag, it's like a magic pen for drawing yummy art on your treats. Let's color. Red. Time to make our mixer even more lively. Take your red crayon or pencil and carefully color the top part of the mixer. Red is a bold and exciting color, just like the beats of music in our mixer dance party. Orange. Grab your orange crayon or pencil and add a burst of lively orange to the body of our mixer. Orange is like a burst of sunshine, bringing extra energy to our kitchen dance floor. Blue. Let's bring a cool and calming touch with blue to the mixer bowl. Grab your blue crayon or pencil and color the bowl of our mixer. Green. Yellow. Let's add a bright and cheerful yellow color to the piping bag. Take your yellow crayon or pencil and color in the piping bag. Purple. Let's add a royal and majestic touch with various shades of purple to the finishing part of our drawing. See you in the next video.